Okay, last example for vertex form. Here's my equation. Okay, we're going to do negative a this time, so I'm going to put this negative sign here. All right, so we saw this once before. Remember that the equation calls for minus k, so I have to have that negative sign there. And to keep the function the same, that means that h must be negative 3. So my vertex is going to be at negative 3, negative 4. Remember, it's plus k, so it'd be plus negative 4. So my vertex is at negative 3, negative 4. Kind of hard to see that point. There we go. All right. Since a is negative, we know that it's going to be opening up. Let's keep track of our points here. So we've got negative 3, negative 4. All right, y-intercept. That happens when x equals 0. So I'm going to plug that in. So y is going to equal 3 squared is 9, but I have this negative sign. So negative 9 minus 4 equals negative 13. So 0, negative 13. All right, x-intercepts is when y equals 0. And some of you may already realize what's going to happen here because I have a vertex here and I am opening down. This is opening down because a is negative, so it's never going to run into the x-axis. But I'm going to do this anyway just to show you what I mean. So 0 equals negative x plus 3 squared minus 4. So let's see, put the 4 on the other side, negative x plus 3 squared, divide by negative 1. Guess what? We've got negative 4 equals x plus 3 squared. And a square can never be negative, so that is not equal, and therefore there is no x-intercepts. Okay, which means I need to come up with some additional points over here because I need to have my 5 points. So I'm going to use the symmetry of the way this is going to look. I'm going to use the fact that it's symmetrical to help me find my points. So I'm going to use negative 4, negative 2, and negative 1. So negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1, squared is positive 1. Then I have this negative sign, so it's going to be negative 1 minus 4. So negative 5. Now, my negative 2 value had better be negative 5 as well because of the symmetry, or I've done something wrong. So let's double check. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1. 1 squared is 1, so negative 1 minus 4 is negative 5, which I already wrote right there. All right, then negative 1, I'm going to plug that in. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So that's a negative 4 minus 4 is negative 8. I'm going to go ahead and plot my points. So I already did that one. 0, negative 13, that's down here. Then negative 4, 5. And negative 2, 5. And negative 1, 8. Okay. Opening down. So my vertex is a maxima, and my axis of symmetry is at x equals negative 3.